Welcome each and everyone. I'm going to show you how to make pepper shrimp, and this will be the best pepper shrimp ever. If you try this recipe and you love pepper, even your mother and father will cry for this recipe. And any prawn recipe away from this pepper shrimp recipe, you won't make it any other way. My name is Chef Andre Henry, and you're watching Chef Henry Kitchen. Open your cupboard and your fridge, grab your ingredients, and let's make this recipe. I have my shrimp into this bowl, and I already wash and clean using a little vinegar and water. 3 Scotch bonnet pepper, onion and green onion, and I'm gonna go over the seasoning. I am using a tablespoon of chili powder, that's more pepper, a tablespoon of meat seasoning, and also a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. So let's season up the shrimp. I'm gonna start by cutting up the onion. This is gonna be fiery, so if the fire station is close by, you're gonna have to call them. And I hear people say drink milk. When you add pepper, it's best to add brown sugar in your mouth to cool it down. I'm gonna show you the way to cut up pepper that you don't get it in your eyes. I'm gonna add straight into the shrimp. I'm gonna get the gloves on. Now I have gloves on, and if you love spice, this recipe is for you. I'm gonna add the seasoning. Now I'm gonna massage the seasoning in. When I say this is the spiciest pepper shrimp slash prawn recipe ever done in front of you guys, and I finish seasoning the shrimp. I am using this pot to fry up the shrimp, and I have my stove turned on. I'm gonna add vegetable oil into the pot, just a small amount, not too much, just enough vegetable oil to coat the bottom of the pot. Now the oil is hot, it's time to add the shrimp. And you want to get all of that pepper into the pot. And making pepper shrimp this way, you're gonna constantly stir in the pot. I'm gonna cover. I place the cover on to trap the flavor inside the pot and to create that steam inside there. And I'm gonna just leave it on there for just a minute. Now I'm gonna stir. I'm gonna turn the stove down. I'm gonna let it go for 2 more minutes. I'm I'm gonna check on the pepper shrimp and I'm gonna give it the final stir. Guys, you see everything that I added to make this pepper shrimp, and I know if you try this recipe, you're gonna love it. I'm gonna make myself serving and I will see you for the taste test. Now I have my pepper shrimp on a plate and I'm going in for the taste test. Vinegar and soap is a thing to clean up after you finish if you know somebody a shellfish allergy. I'm gonna try a piece. And when I said this is the best pepper shrimp, wow. I love pepper and I'm telling you, this is the best pepper shrimp recipe ever. Guys, my mouth is literally on fire. You not get none, and you not get none. Guys, go on and make this recipe, and remember, this is the best tasting pepper shrimp you will make ever. I can't really talk right now, but go make it. And see you on the next one.